Hello again. We're back, and it is Tuesday afternoon. Ooh, everything's running nice. Oh, let me check. Noise, sound. I said noise is my sound. I call that noise. Nice. Okay, yeah, that's working. Gotcha. Okay. I just got on. I've been really busy, so I haven't been trading. I did catch that move a little bit when we logged off. I thought, I think I have some confirmation for the downside now, because I thought it would go in consolidation, right? But it did not. So I took a nice little run to the downside. Just before I went to do groceries, I was like, oh no, you're just gonna sit a little bit longer, and I think it's gonna drop instead of going in consolidation. So I took a little bit of that move. So that was nice. Let's see now quickly. Oh, geez, gold is also running. I see. Everything is running together. Okay, here. Again, where are we going now, right? What do you see? We are heading towards the event horizon. Let's see how it reacts there in the 4 hour. We have 10 o'clock news, so I'm just going to wait. I just want to wait a little bit longer. I missed the move anyway to the downside. I don't know if someone did. Someone take the move already. That would be awesome. Did I put on the opening range gap? That's the opening range. We have one unfilled one here in the N walk, so that's an area that I have on my weekly open. So this is we're going into this one, 524. I don't have my account open, I think, yet. Let me see. But we do have an old N walk. Let's see if it stops here. We have a little gap here. I noted that one as the first one, so we're gonna have a little bit of retracements all the time. So I think it's what am I trying to do here? I'm trying to get into my account. I think I already met it. I still have some left. Consistency rule thing. So consistency rule. Might not even trade today anymore. Let's see. The move was quite good. Let me see, where was it before? It was just when we got logged off. What time was it? I'm going to go to the 5 minutes. See, it was a beautiful see, this was the distribution candle of the London session. And we were in this wick. And even like I got a little bit insecure at some point, like, oh my god, am I off? But you know, being in distribution trade and being used to entering in this area, this was really, I mean, in all honesty, normally it doesn't feel this way, but it was really not an easy trade this morning. But hey, it is always the contrary if you do the manipulation move, right? And the distribution comes later. So mark those times when it happens, so then you get used to it. So you get more confident in trading the distribution, and you know, sort of like being able to identify the manipulation. Because at some point I thought, oh my god, we're going up, and I was like, no, this is a manipulation move. It cannot be. And you know, I was going back and forth at some point, but I said it many times. I'm confident in the short, but the price action looks bullish. Yeah, of course it looks bullish when you're going up. When it's a different side of when it's the manipulation move, of course it's bullish. So, but it felt really like it was really going up. In all honesty, it was very tough, and I was really exhausted from that trade. But anyway, I hope someone caught that move to the downside. That will be awesome. That will be freaking awesome. Now we've got a new range here. Let's see. Yeah, it looks bearish, right, today? But let's have a look. So we have an unfilled opening range, an unfilled gap here. Let's see if we can target it, because we still have news, but it's orange. Look at this beautiful move. If we fill this gap, are we going into this order block here? Can we fill it completely? Can we do that completely? That's the question. I need to look at some levels. My other micro screens. Where are way to 451-ish? We are beautiful 4 o'clock here. Okay, so what time is it? 7 minutes to 10. 550, 24550. That will be a target for me after 10 o'clock. If we are still going down, 550. And that is, are we entering that? Going fast? No, it's above. So that's, that's again, that's in a little imbalance that I marked here. Okay, that makes sense. I like that. I like that. I like that. Okay. I'm getting my calculator. I think that's a good, it might be a solid trade. But I can only, how much do I have left for today? 110. I'm allowed to make 110 on this account. Okay. 110, so that will be micro. So what am I looking at? Obviously we'll get a new candle, right? A new 4-hour candle, but so this is the distribution move. It is retracing quite a bit. I wonder if it's going down at some point before 10 o'clock. Now, I need to put on some more NWalks because otherwise my event horizon is not correct, right? If we go, I think there was some more here. It's unfortunate, it's going to be busy on the chart, but I need those levels. Let me see. Just make sure. 25. And okay, there's nothing in between. Let me quickly check if someone's at the door because there was, I had someone had to come for the geyser. He was supposed to come at 4 and it's already 5 o'clock here. But just double check because I closed I locked the gate. Shit. Actually, I'm not getting in, by the way. I'm waiting for till 10 o'clock. That would be stupid to do because we still have an opening range. This is the opening range gap of today, right? There's a lot of times very close to each other. Something I don't really like, but what can we do? Where's my 658? Where is 658? Here we are. It's here. 7 is here. And where's 3? Okay, we are close. It doesn't have any. It's not. The model is not going to play. 10-4, not going to play out this way. Only 10-4 that we can have is to the downside. That's 2550. Okay, let's have a look. Looks like a Barbie screen with a pink. I don't know if I like that. I have to change it. I don't see that here, but I can imagine it might be distracting. Oh, I need coffee. Why is coffee so nice? Why is coffee so nice? Okay, guys. I'm waiting till 10 o'clock because we got some news coming, right? I am bearish, I think, but I mean, I need to have a higher time frame perspective. Are we bearish, or are we gonna, or not? We did retest. Did we retest the breaker? We need to go in here. This is 4-hour breaker. So that means that gap. So yes, okay, I'm still bearish until we reach this area, and then I'll reevaluate because we could go up into this week, but hey, we have also this week. And remember, this is that monthly TGIF levels, right? So we're right back into it. So if we go into here, today's Tuesday. So we have one more day technically, right, for trading. So the only way this range is going to go down if we extend the range to the down. If we go lower, then this will all come down, right? If we extend that range. So I'm hoping we're going into these wicks here, this area here. 4, 5, 6, 400 points. But we could also go up here. The daily has two wicks. The only higher time frame PD rates that I see of any significance for, let's say, for 2 more days of trading is either this wick here or this wick here. So two rejection blocks. I call them rejection blocks. Both of them. It might not be fully 100. It is not maybe fully correct. But, oh, it's 10 o'clock. Focus. Okay, let's see. 10 o'clock. And we have a large wick again. Shit. What are we going to do? What are you going to do? I want in the 1 hour as well. I have to grade it, unfortunately. I'm going to use this one. I have to grade you to see if you are going to go down. Shit, that's not going to be. I wonder if we are going to. See how this 15-minute inversion is still working, right? Still gives a lot of information. We're at the bottom now. Again. So this is my TP for after till 11 o'clock if we are going down. Is it correct? We're just gonna go lower. Hold on. Hold your horses before you say something like that. Misses. Do not. Better make damn sure with this. Huh? No, it might be even lower. Okay. I think I'm getting in on a micro because I think it's already running. I think it's gonna go much lower. Yeah, I think it's just gonna. So 550 is my target. I think it's gonna go low, but 550 is my TP. Let me quickly. Maybe with it when we have a swing up, I'll maybe add one. Where are you? Yeah. So I'm a little bit late. I'm already in, but TP. It's right over here. We are gonna reject here. We might get a. I might add if we swing up here. 0.033 here at 675. We might have a little pop back up. I might add one. Yeah. Is that it? Or still needs to go there? Okay, let's see if it's gonna give any reaction here. Then I might add. Oh shit! Hold on. I, oh, I need to get out because I already met my. Oh shit! I cannot. I'm done. I already met my 11. I'm 11 bucks over. Oh shit! I was. That move was. I need to get a rapid. Okay, I'm done. I'm out of my account because I was only allowed to make 100 bucks and I was already at 110 and I made 120 in that short move. Okay. Okay, we're gonna get a pop here. Let's see. I'm just gonna leave it on here. Even though I got in too late, I got in when we were running already. I do believe we're going to here to this level. So, but let's see if we're gonna get a rejection here. See if we're gonna pop here. I'm gonna go to the upside and I might add another to get a bit of a better entry here because I want a bit of a better entry, but we might not because I have this, this little thing here. I don't know. Sometimes I have it and it just has been working like a charm this last week as well. So I'm leaving it on. We are below, but I would love to see a little bit of more of a rejection to the upside. We are at the previous day midpoint. Let's give us a little pop. Give us a little pop. Give us so we can enter. Give us a silver bullet. I'm gonna enter. I'm gonna add one. I'm gonna practice. 10:04. 4. Okay. Add another cell. Let me just. I need to put my stop loss here. Now the question is, are we going to fill the opening range gap first? Oh, we could also make this run after 10:34. Well, let's see. Yeah. See, there's no breaker here. On the 1 minute, there's not really any structure. So if I would calculate this range quickly, it doesn't mean that it cannot go higher though, but see if I calculate this range, we are on we fully went to 79%. So, and it makes sense that we had a retracement here, right? It's nothing to, I mean, I don't see any bullish structure here. But we could be manipulated out of it. Because it's, yeah. It's going back into this 15-minute. Already engulfed this one. Okay, let's get out of this one. Well, I took that short to the downside, but I think there's more room to go down. But because it engulfed this here, right? This is now mitigation block. Oh, we might go into consolidation again. I might have this for a long time. Well, anyway, it's okay. I'm just thinking if I should buy a new evaluation for today. I'm gonna open the door. Hold on. So this is the unfilled opening range gap from 24th of November. Oh, that was yesterday, right? Yeah. And we have, did we not wick into it just like this one here? I just want to see what it did. What did you do? What did you do? What did you do? Oh, it didn't even wick into it. Okay. There we go. Up those gradients. The 5-minute first percentage is here. I like that. I can't put any trades on my funded or my eval because I have a consistency rule on that one. Do I? Yes, I do. I think so. Yeah, I think that one has. So, yeah, this is. I think it's going back down. Yeah, I'm gonna put on. It's just for me. I'm gonna do this. It's not. I'm not in anything else than besides this here. I'm gonna put on the same. It's kind of above the 10 o'clock. 30. That's a lot of. That's a large range, actually. Looking at it, it's just like ridiculous. 388 ticks. That is huge. Wow. I didn't realize that. I would never do that on my own account, I think. That is really. This is my TP 551. But look at this. This is too high. I need to narrow it down. But 10, 12. I'm just gonna end. Hey, Avneet. Yeah, I managed to catch that drop. I managed to catch that drop after we ended the stream, and I was like going on. I had to do groceries, and I'm like, I think you have a confirmation there. So I went back. I opened and then I took that move, and then I took this move to the downside. But now I'm run out of. I have met my consistency rule, so I cannot trade in my account anymore. So I'm. So I've been, I guess I've been, well, lucky to just catch that move, and I think now it's just consolidating again, right? But I do believe we're going down to this level here. But when? It could take like all afternoon or all morning. I think I'm going to be stopped out here. I already, I say it's going to be, it was up 100 points and straight to break even. But at least you have done a losing trade, right? What did you trade, Avneet? What trade did you do? Did you stay in too long into the short? Is that what you did? So you went in here and then you overstayed, and then it went back up in this wick. Is that it? Did you stay? Was it this move to the downside from 935 to 949? Because you could have seen. I knew it was going to do. I knew it was going to reject here. So if that was the case, I'll tell you what to look for next time, so you know it too. Oh, it was a long 9:15 1. Oh, that was a nice entry though. Wow. What were you aiming for? Well, that's pretty much almost a turtle soup what you took there. Um, but Avneet, you know why I don't like this structure for a long? Because there's no break or nothing. It's just a retracement, right? You can see, and if you calculate, maybe I won't hear when I look when you do a quick calculation on this one. Look where you it went exactly up to 79 and then it went back into the range, right? So I think we're still bearish. This was just a retracement, I think, but I could be wrong. So and now it's contracting. The range is getting smaller and smaller again. Yeah. Was up on a straight break even 9:59 for 1 hour and then 25,000. 25,000. Oh, you wanted to go up to 25,000. Um, 1 hour. Yeah, but the okay. So I think we're not done yet to the downside. I think there is more. Um, so you know why it went up, Avneet? Because it hit previous day equilibrium. So calculate it. Let me see how this one is, because there are two ways to calculate it. So it could be enough what you said to go up, but if it's not ready to go up yet, it's just a retracement, right? So the question is it looking for internal liquidity, or is that enough? Or are we still in a distribution to the downside? Let me just quickly check if that New York. I want to see. Okay, it stays the same. I just want to see where my midpoint of the daily candle, New York time. We didn't take out Asia high, yes, right? So you're aiming for Asia. I think Asia high, right? That's what you're aiming for. I think Asia highs is in the. We have to. Oh, we did take out Asia high here at the 8:30, 7:50 already. Hey, yeah. So Asia high has been taken. At 7:40, right? 8:30 here. This is balanced. This is balanced. Don't we need to go up? I don't see a lot of PD arrays here to go into. We have the opening range gap, but I cannot be bullish at this moment, to be honest. Opening range gap, we left outside. We just wicked into it. I think we're going lower. I'm sticking to my short. And also, look here, this, I have to make it very small. Look at this orange. This is a first percent. We did not touch it. There's a previous day high here. This is yesterday's this was yesterday's first presented. We still need to retest that one. So I do think we're going to do that today. I think if we didn't take out at 740 that wick with Asia, I would have been more bullish as well. Yeah. But hey, Avneet, good job on not having a losing trade to go to break even. I mean, that's, most important, risk management. So if you break even, that's good. You still have a bullet. You can still, you're still neutral. So we have to celebrate those things. I mean it. Break evens, paper trading, not losing money, and being right, when you're in a paper trade, it's just as valuable. And the money will come. You agree? Are you pissed off that you got to break even? You say, oh, shut up. I don't want to hear that bullshit. I'm upset that I didn't get any. I understand. I really do, to be honest. But hey, listen, it's always better to break even than losing trade. And it's easy to say when I'm not in that position, but you have another opportunity. Now let's see. Now again, this little yellow volume imbalance is my target for today. Hopefully before 11. I am great at being a certified break-even trader. Hey, that is so interesting because when that stage is, there was someone in the beginning when I started streaming. He says, "Oh, I'm such a long time already in. My P&L is not going anywhere." And then he really inspired me. And I was thinking like I had that phase as well, and I was like, it's so frustrating because you really think that you are growing, but your P&L is not growing, but you're not losing anymore. And actually then I saw a few videos on that, and it made me think like actually it's a really beautiful phase because it means you're really, really growing, but you just don't see it yet. There's just one or two little pieces of the puzzle that you need to get that P&L to start growing, right? But it's just one or two pieces. And that's different for everyone else, obviously. And sometimes it's also a mental thing that you block yourself, like, oh, it's really weird what we humans do. But it's actually once you get out of it and you look back, it's like, oh my God, actually, you don't see it as growth, but it is actually a lot of growth. Getting out of the because 90% of the people lose. If you don't lose, you're already out of that 90%, right? And it will come. And if you're break even, it means your risk management is very good. If you are not in the red on your P&L, that means you are, you're managing your trades well. So that's actually something to celebrate. But I know it's hard too. I mean, it's frustrating. But Abneet will get you. I mean, it's going to come. I'm sure. I am sure it will. You will get there. I have no doubt. No, I actually don't want to be stopped out in this trade. It would be annoying. But we are below. So this I don't. Why is this here? And there's a end walk here. Okay, I got you. I see it. I see it. I see it. Yes, yes, yes. I'm gonna eat pizza today. I'm gonna have a bad day today. I'm already looking forward to it, to my break. I'm gonna eat pizza. I already had a few some candy this afternoon, so I'm really not. Normally, I don't eat candy in daytime. I do have some at night, chocolate mainly. But today's a bad day. I don't know why. I think I just feel like it. I'm gonna do it. I don't care today. Avneet, what are you eating later? I mean, you're in India, right? What are you eating today? Tell me, give me a nice Indian dish. I really love the food there, to be honest. I was it's such a long time ago, but I was so surprised of how nice the food was in India when I was traveling there. So good. And every area you go to is different, right? They have different spices and stuff like that. Yeah. So when you start going into consolidation and it's this, you can technically already know that, okay, you have to wait till 10:30, right? You already know, okay, I don't have to do anything until I'm not going to get into a trade before actually 10:34. 10:34 is a very nice root candle. We're going to wait. So if I'm bearish, I want to see a move when it 10:34 prints. I want to see a move go over the 10. I try if you want vegetarian. Yes, I'm a pescatarian, so I do eat fish. But lentils, I like lentils. Dimagni, like Rajma Chawa. I'm gonna Google those. I'm gonna Google it. Let me see. But we have a lot. We have a very a big Indian society in the area where I live in KwaZulu Natal. I think there's a concentration of the most Indians here. But let me Google a restaurant, by the way. Let me see if I have an Indian restaurant nearby. So I'm just because I'm saying it like, oh, that means I should have good Indian food. But I think I have to go to Durban. I think Durban has the most. I think that's the highest concentration of the Indian society. We have them. Not in this little town. This is just too little town. But let me see in Richards Bay maybe as well. Indian restaurants. Maybe I have one here and I don't even know it. Okay, I'm stopped out here. Oh, you bastard. Yeah, I'm stopped out. It just doesn't react. I'm still bearish though. For non-veg, butter, chicken, and tomato. Hey, listen. Since I have to listen to that rooster, I'm gonna eat chicken again. I hate. I hate. It has to be. I want to eat roosters, not chicken. It has to be a rooster. I will eat all of them. Roosters belong in chicken soup. No, so I don't have an Indian restaurant here. So again, like I said, it has to be in. Oh, maybe. Oh, hold on. Where am I here? Where am I here? Where is this? Within 1.6 kilometers. Oh no, there are no specific Indian restaurants in Amsterdam. However, there are many highly rated options in the broader KwaZulu-Natal area. It's because we have a lot of Indian. Popular choices include the Little India restaurant, Mali's Indian and Swadesh food. For a unique local experience, try the famous Bunny Chow at restaurants like the Britannia Hotel or Hollywood Beds, which is German specialty. Popular Indian restaurants in KwaZulu-Natal, Little Indian restaurant, Mali, Swadesh. Wow, the Little India restaurant. So I should really, when I drive to, because I have to, if I do have to do groceries, the bigger groceries, I have to drive 1.5 hours because I live in a very small town. We do have Curry Den. That's Afra. Oh, it's a local. We do have an Indian restaurant. It's just you have to pick up Curry Den. Den is making curries. Oh, that's interesting. It's not a restaurant, but we can pick up. Let me see. Oh, next to Nook. Oh, and we do have something Indian here. Oh, pictures look good. I didn't know that. Oh, Authentic Indian unforgettable taste. Yeah, but that could be. I mean, if you put down unforgettable, that could be also very bad. Unforgettable. You got so much stomach ache. Unforgettable in every way. Do 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 do. Okay, okay, okay. Well, I might give that a go this week. Curry Den. I'll let you know. But I don't see those. I don't see the what you say. So I think it's not like I think when you want those things that you next week. I have to go to Durban, to Belito, for really a good something more authentic. Well, seriously, something. Well, hey, listen, if you got the Indian people living in the town and they're going to go open a restaurant, just depends, right? People have good food. You just need the right people to. Oh, the best curry in town, very tasty and with fresh. I'm reading the reviews. Okay, so I can get my curry. Hey, listen, that's the good thing about streaming, because I love garlic, for example. And sometimes, when you have to meet people, you have like something, you always have to, you cannot eat, you have to be careful. But now, yesterday, I was making a meal before. Oh yeah, I'm on stream. Oh, who cares? So I just chucked in, a lot of garlic, and I'm not bothering any one of you guys. So, I hope not. I don't hope we can smell it. So, but enough about food. Okay, so we went up to the 10 o'clock and we did not go over it. I like that for my short. But is it 10:34? Yes. 10:34. So this is what happens sometimes. Well, it still doesn't say a lot, right? If it's going to go further down or not. Technically, if we have 10:34 for bullish price action, you want it to see go down to go up. But in this scenario, it could also be a push, a pull down, a push, because I'm still bearish. No, I think I'm still bearish. We don't have any breaker in this area here. Are we retesting something? We do have a breaker. I should have gone short here, but I'm gonna wait. See, it didn't go over the 79. So we created an equal high here. I like that. You know why? We created equal high at 10:32. The question is it going to take it out in this 10:32 to 10:40 run? Most likely not. So that gives me more confidence for the short. And then go up, because it's creating liquidity right here to be taken out. But not now, maybe. So let's see. I wonder if it's going to. So we might go further down into this level here, and then we go back up at some point. So we could dig a little bit deeper into this, right, this area, or not. I'm happy that I got my. I'm not touching. I can't. Well, I can't. I don't have any. Uh, I've maxed out my consistency rules today. Um, 225. Let's calculate this area. Let's see what we have done this way. What time did we retest the 10 o'clock? 10:32. Okay. Let's go down. I think I'm going to go into a cell. I want to enter. I should have brought it closer to the stop because 10 o'clock is my TP, my cell. It invalidates. I'm still short. I still have a short bias. It's still towards this area here. This is my short 555. I cannot enter on my account anymore because I'm. No, I have these equal highs in mind, but I think I'm just thinking. I'm hoping it's for later. It formed at 10:32. It's 10:40. I need to be a little bit higher than this week. Above the midpoint. I don't want to be stopped out. Let's see. Start to make a habit of getting out of into trades outside macros. Now, technically, I'm actually just saying that this is the manipulation move of the 10 o'clock price. It's actually very small. It's a very small manipulation move now. But it will be more likely maybe, so I might be stopped out if this is the whole manipulation. So it's a mini market maker buy sell model, right? So buy, sell side, buy side. But where's original consolidation? It's over here. Are we gonna go here? But this was 936. We touched it. I'm just sticking to my bearish. I know it's a bit contrarian, but it's just I just cannot be. 10:43. Just wanted to hit this before 10. Hit this at 10:50 and then go back up, please. You can do that. But actually going through 10 o'clock is already invalidating my trade. The only reason that I'm not, okay, so I'm stopped. The only reason that I put it here is because if it wicks through it, then it would not, I don't want to be wicked out of it. So that's why I put my stop above it but technically this would already invalidate this. Okay, so now this is the manipulation move. I have to let go of my trade. No more short for me now. Breaker. Retest. Going up. Let's see. Let's see if I can fill the gap. Mitigation block. Why am I wrong on this trade? It's not going down at all, or is it just going one more leg up? Because now we are in the original consolidation. Is this enough? Is this what it wants? Change this. Going back to 4. 3, 6, 8. Well, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. It's almost I think we're going up. Let's see if we have a change in the state of delivery. We actually already do on the 15. But we don't. No, we have to wait for this large candle. Let's see if we have a 15-minute to the upside. So we have to change bias. We have to change bias faster, my love. We have to do it quicker. We cannot wait that long. Let's see. Is this? Let's go to the 5. Yeah. It needs to go over. The body needs to go over. Well, let's say over the 4 o'clock. Ever close over the 4 o'clock. Then we have a. 10:48. Let's see. Macro. What did we do in this week? Did we create another equal? No, we did not take it out. So yesterday I realized that I didn't that trade. It was London. I had the this on 5 minutes, and we did not see that move coming. It was so clear with this S&T was printing. It was a 3. What was it? Should change it. It was 3. Oh, it was here. This one here. I did not see that. This one here. This was just beautiful. 245. So, okay, let's see. See, the 1 hour looks bullish. Hey, Khalida, how are you doing? Did you do any trades this morning? We took liquidity. We have a large wick. 6, 7, 8. Oh, did you fucking mosquito? Yeah, I'm still well, you know my bias, but oh, we're below 10 o'clock. Yes, let's go. 10:51. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Again, the same level. Let's keep an over. Hey, what did I do? Come on. Same level. 555. I like this one. 555. Always would. Stop loss is not the best though today. It's going to be here again above the 10. The 10 o'clock will. I'm going to be on the 1 minute. One break even, one win. Hey, that's green. Green is good. Break even is also good. Are you in a short, Avneet? So you see how tricky sometimes when you with the distribution with the manipulation move above the 10. We first printed the 10 right over here. Then we made like a full market maker buy sell model, and now this might be the manipulation move. Now we just created. Let's just see if it's the case. We've got a balanced price range here, but we've seen the balanced price range being disrespected all the time, also in London. So it doesn't say shit sometimes, but this could be the manipulation move, the little candle that we need for the further distribution, right? If it's going to be a continuation, let's see. Well, I think it needs one more leg down because we have that untested first presented fair value gap. This orange thing that was for yesterday. And we did not go down yet here. We just moved away from it. And we still have some, yeah. So I wouldn't be surprised if this is actually the actual forming of the wick. But hey, we could go back up again because look, this is now rejection. I like that. I like that. Well, we'll see, but it's just It could take me out again. Well, this is a paper trade, guys. I'm already maxed out on my consistency rule. So, oh, thank you. That was something, but to the upside or to the downside? And is it false? Where are you? What time frame are you looking at? Yeah, if I look here, like it can, does ES can go down? Does it want to go down further down here, right? Well, I don't see any SMT, but well, I do see SMT, by the way. Yes, it just popped up to the downside. Yes, yes, yes. Here we go. Oh, this is a nice one. This is a beautiful one here. On the 5 minute, let's see if we have it on the 15 minute as well. No, but the 5 minute is enough for now. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay. We like it. We like it. But it could be false, but we'll see. Yeah, I see short. I feel short. I am short. I'm only 1 meter 50. I think I'm shrinking already, so I think I'm 149 by now. Hey, I've been short all morning. I mean, I cannot. I've had issues doing longs all day, but technically, when you do the manipulation moves from a 4 hour candle, you can take a long ride, but you have to be sure how far it's going to go up. And it's been hard. It's been such a hard read, to be honest. And sometimes they take, like, for example, if we are going to the downside, if that's the case, then this is all like manipulation, and it just goes back to the 10, and then it creates this area as then the little wick, right? So, and this is a full market maker sell buy model. And where did it go back to? Into the original consolidation. You see, price when you have a retracement on the higher time frame is a full market maker buy or sell model on the lower time frame. And if you have original consolidation, if you see price going back into it, and I also have my 4 o'clock here, that's sort of like, for me, an extra, well, gives me confidence in a short. We're not going into the range in the opening range gap, and we have an opening range gap here, unfilled opening range gap here from red in this area. So we might even go lower once we start running. So, but hey, I don't know. It's so, look, here again, it goes up again. It's almost a little bit of a gamble now. You know, honestly, I would not trade this on my any account. Yeah, exactly, Avneet. It is very, I can swing it both ways, right? Again, we're going near the 10 o'clock. We're not moving away. So what is the manipulation move now, right? What is this? It's a 4 hour candle, so we are in 1 hour, right? So we could do anything. So let's have a look at the 1 hour. But I was actually anticipating this to be reached before 11. Let me do, this is ugly. wick to. I didn't even see the 1 hour yet, and now I'm looking at it like, oh, you kidding me? Um, yeah, if I look at the 15, I would say also see like, oh, we've got such a beautiful top, right? Now we went into that fair value gap and we're not going lower, we're going up, but you could also just go one more leg lower. I can swing it both ways. I do think we're going to go one more leg lower. But we're above the 10 o'clock again and below it again. Could make we. So this price action already tells you it it doesn't have a lot of movement anymore, right? Because of it just it's just stalling, and it doesn't have a lot of things it wants to do today, most likely. So it just so where is the? Let's have a look again at the monthly. Oh shit! Because if we're in the 20 to 40% range, this is typical behavior. Oh, what am I doing? I guess I'm a little bit tired. You make me tired. So yeah, see, we are in this area. This is a 20, 30, 40% range of that monthly candle. And I'm just looking at like, if the monthly is retracing up, it's sort of like, well, you can see it already happening, right? On the daily. So this is the 40%. We are now here. So the 20% is right over here. So that's why I had confidence, because that's still in that range on the 555 level. But it could just, you see it happened here as well on in October. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inside days in this area. So we already had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. See, you have this wick here, so we have this one here. And 1, 2, 3. So we might get another 2 days, which makes sense. That could be tomorrow, and then Thursday and Friday is one day, right? Or I don't know how they will. So then we get like we stay in this range maybe. I don't know. We go into this wick, and I wonder if we're gonna go into this wick. And IPTA 60. I mean, we could go into this wick and then we extend the range to the downside, and then we go back up. That's what I was hoping for. But let's see. We're going down. Oh, am I out of my trade? I want to get back in. I'm still bullish, bearish. So it's a bad entry. Bad entry. She got in at the 10. Again, 555. Mm, 1102. Same thing. Just break. Just break. I don't think it's going to break. No. I think it's going to do it at lunch, right? Yeah, I mean, why did you put that stuff? Hello, Bob. What are you doing? Um, got a flat bottom here. It's gonna go into this wick here. I'm getting out. I should get out of here. It's gonna go grab liquidity here and then. Oh, shut up. Oh shit! What is it? What is it? Oh, yesterday I should have done the AM session, but I could not. And then we had this in the. Oh, I'm stopped. I took it off. I still think we're going down. Choo, 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 choo. Oh, oh. Choo, 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 choo. This is very slow, yes, indeed. But let's see. Get some. Because I think everybody is bullish now, and then they're gonna pull the rug under everyone else. Yeah. We're in the lower quadrant of the 15-minute inversion, right? We have not gone into the opening range gap. Yeah, it's not really time to put money anymore on the line. I think that trade, sometimes you have those two trades in the morning and then it just goes in consolidation, and you really have to wait until the afternoon or lunch. It's just price action that just. I'm gonna close my account anyway. I can't trade it anymore. Oh shit! I've got too much. I've got 511. I need to get some. I need to have a red trade. But always when I try to do that, I get green, and then I have a higher. I need to take some off. I hate doing that because then I'm always wrong. And then I get green, right? It's really weird. But if I YOLO an account, if I just do a 50-50, I always lose. But when I try it, because I've got too much for my consistency rule, then I'm always, let me try. Let me see what happens. I'm gonna go short now. Fuck, see, and it's green already. That's what I mean. Okay, let's see. You need to pop up because I'm short. I need 11 bucks off, and now it's 30 bucks. Always happens. It's so weird, right? When I YOLO it, you should think 50-50. At some point you have no. I'm punished all the time. I cannot. It's just well, it's a good thing because you're not going to do it anymore. But oh, there we go. Come on, go up because I need 11 bucks off. Come on, give me a losing trade. I need a losing trade. Ugh. So if I swap now, we'll see. Then it switches, right? It's so weird. I can never get that done. If I need to take some off of the consistency rules and I go opposite, it's always. Oh boy, I don't know. It's so weird. It's annoying. Oh my God, now it's got too much. Just make it. See, and I do the other side, and then it goes the other side again. Okay, come on now. Give me a good red trade. There we go. Okay, let me see. How much do I need to get off? Still the same now. We're gonna go to the downside now. Okay, I think I'm good now. Yes, good. I'm good now. $3 under. No, okay. I got this sorted. Oh my God. Okay, let's wait one more. Oh, we already, the macro's done. I'm just thinking, guys, well, it's really not worth it, but sometimes it drops right after the macro, so I'll have a little bit more of a, and then otherwise we just have to watch, and maybe if it's a nice price action in, sort of like a little bit disappointing, right? If you have so much news and we have had 8:30 candle for such a long time, you just want a little bit more price action, but then we can't get what we always want. Come on. Yeah, in all honesty, guys, we are in this area. Like I said, we are in this. Once you're here, this is the same with the weekly candle, right? Especially if it's Thursday or Friday, you always have to be very careful. Now, it could go spike all the way down and just, but it could also just not do that until maybe the afternoon or whatever, because you always can. This is always a nasty area once you are in this area, and we're just only between 30 and 40%. So I'm still more bearish than bullish, but it's just time distortion. It's just time distortion. So I think I'm gonna call it here because I don't think this. Well, we never know. It might just pop when the moment we get off. But if it becomes really 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 interesting again in the afternoon, I might start a new stream. But only if it's really really interesting. But I don't have too much hope for that. We still have tomorrow. Let's see, and then it's long weekend, right? Um, there's always a move coming after consolidation, and let's have a look at the weekly profile quickly. By the way, I just want to have a look at the weekly. This is the monthly TGIF levels. Let's quickly see if we can find some logic in that one as well. Look, the weekly is an inside week. Let me get rid of this. We are an inside week here. Yeah. Now, what is this candle? We can go into this week, but look, this wick is here lower. It's more likely that we're going into this wick here and then go back up into the range. So that means the monthly, Oh no, the monthly is not going to expand because the monthly is quite big. Let me see. Where is the monthly? Oh, the monthly is here. Oh, it could be. We could go a little bit. This is the monthly here, so we could go a little bit to take out the monthly low, and then go back into the. It's possible. It's not too far. 20. Oh, it's 800 points. Never mind. Never mind. I didn't say anything. We're not going to do 8. We're not going to do 800 points before tomorrow. I don't think so, right? I mean, well, maybe we're at 800 now. 300, 500. We already went into the weekly range. We're going up already. We are already above the weekly open. So we opened here. We went all the way down. We didn't go below the close or the open of the week. It's weird. We did not even go into this wick. That is sort of odd, to be honest. That makes me question something. So we opened up. We opened here. And we went down. We didn't go further into this wick, and then we went all the way back up. So now we're here. We went all the way up here, and then we went down. Now, why did we not go into this wick? We're inside this week's candle. I wonder if we're going to get out of it, to be honest. And either we're going to spike up into this wick, or we're going to go into this wick. But both is quite a bit of a move still. This one is 500 point-ish. This one is 451. This is quite a big of a move to go inside of this one. Well, we just have to see. But for now, we're just hanging in that TGIF range. That means chop most of the time. So, okay, guys. I think I'm going to eat my pizza. I'm going to make my pizza. I'll keep an eye on the chops. And I'll see you tomorrow. For sure, there's a London. I'm going to do a London. But I'm not sure about today PM session. It depends. Oh, look, we also still have this. Still also looking at this unfilled gap here. There's too much things on the downside. First percent for value gap yesterday. We've got this unfilled open range gap. We have. What else do we have? Event horizon is right over here. Why is the 4 hour moving so violently and the 1 minute not? Isn't that weird? You see the 4 hours moving, and I don't see anything moving hardly here on the 1 minute. Look at that here. There's such a difference. That's weird, right? Nasdaq, and I see this move down, and I see this little 1 minute go up. It's like it's not in sync or something. Yeah, Abneet, I think we should do. We should be more concerned about food right now and enjoy nice things like food and other things in the chart. Yeah, I'm gonna close it here, guys. There's not. I think it's just a waste of our energy to watch this price. I'm just fed up with this consolidation continues. It's just always just one move. Luckily, I'm happy that I took that move also in London when we logged off. It was like, oh, okay, I see now that there's much more room to the downside, and I got a confirmation just before I was logging off, so I managed to take that, and then I managed to take that move in the morning, a part of it. So that's why I maxed out the move that I could make on my account. So that's good. I mean, at least it's not red day. But now it's just I get tired looking at it, to be honest. So so I'll keep an eye on it. If it's really, really, really interesting, I will open up a stream for the PM session. If not, we have to ease into the long weekend and just gonna just do tomorrow London and another stream in the AM or PM session, and then I think Thursday and Friday is going to be too. I think it's better to. I don't know. I don't think it's really interesting to do anything. It's going to be very slow, and just do other things and maybe backtest. Maybe I'll do something in the Discord. If people give me feedback if they want anything, I'm open for it. But I just need to know what people want, and then we can organize it. That's what the Discord is for. So if you have any ideas, let me know. Yeah, I think it's better to. I've need, like you said, you're not anticipating a downside delivery. It looks like we're not getting any delivery anytime soon. Maybe in lunch, maybe in 11:50. Oh, let's have a look. ICT always said look at the low or high that has formed after 10 o'clock, and well, that's this one here, right? It might 11:50 might take it out, but it could also be in this scenario. Look, we also have lows here, right here on the 5 minute after 10 o'clock as well. So on the 4 hour, we went into this wick. We rejected at the 25%, and we have a wick above us here as well. Let's rate that wick. So it could go into that wick, right? It's more logical that it goes up now, and it goes into this wick here, which is also the opening range gap. See? So it's going to work itself into the opening range gap now. It's going to go into here. I think it's going to fill the opening range gap, or maybe halfway, or oh, hello, you little moth. You come and visit me. You're on the screen. Hello. Come. Come. Yeah, so we're going into this area, and 9:18ish. So we have a. Yeah, my belly is growling. So I think there might be opportunity to up to this area here, 9:19ish. I wouldn't bet on the whole, on a day like this on the whole range, but use these gradients, 25%, maybe 0.5, and the favorite one in between, the 1/3 level. I think that's a good idea. So it's going to the upside now, not to the downside. So we are going into the opening range gap at 11:22. Finally, we're getting some movement. Let me create this one as well. Oh, what are you doing? So you see it went up to 75%. Oh, it's graded. I don't have to put it on. I sort of like rejected there again. But I do think it's going to go up, right? There you go. Yeah. Are you in a long Avneet? Are you going to go try to grab some? Um, yeah, it's very boring. Okay, I can't watch this anymore, guys. I'm going to say bye-bye. And like I said, I will keep an eye on it. And if it's really interesting, we'll be back on. And if not, I'll see you guys tomorrow. London and New York. Stay safe. Yeah, don't overtrade in this price action. Just be careful. It's not worth it. It's really not it. So I'm going to eat my pizza. I'm going to make my pizza. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.